Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI systems can be designed to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI systems often require large amounts of data to learn and make decisions. This data can be structured, example databases, or unstructured, example text, images, videos. Data preprocessing. Before feeding data into AI algorithms, it often needs to be cleaned, normalized, and transformed into a format suitable for analysis. This step ensures that the data is consistent and relevant for the AI model. Algorithm selection. Depending on the task at hand, different AI algorithms may be used. Common types of AI algorithms include 1. Machine learning. 2. Deep learning. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. 4. Computer vision. Model training. In this step, the AI model is trained using the collected and pre-processed data. During training, the model learns to recognize patterns and make predictions based on the input data. For example, in a supervised learning scenario, the model is trained on input-output pairs, while in unsupervised learning, the model learns patterns and structures from unlabeled data. Evaluation and testing. After training, the AI model is evaluated to assess its performance. This involves testing the model on a separate dataset, not used during training, to measure its accuracy, precision, recall, etc. The model may undergo iterative refinement based on the evaluation results. Deployment. Once the AI model has been trained and evaluated satisfactorily, it can be deployed for real-world use. Monitoring and maintenance. AI models may need to be continuously monitored and maintained to ensure they perform effectively over time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos.